Welcome to OpenTickets, revolutionizing ticketing with blockchain.
Currently in 2022, Ticketmaster holds a monopoly over ticket sales. More than 70% of ticket sales in the US go through Ticketmaster, which gives them a huge advantage. So they can basically increase prices and have extremely high fees. It's commonly known as like one of the most hated companies in the US. And recently, with the pre-sale of Taylor Swift tickets for her upcoming tour, they had a big issue where their website couldn't handle all the traffic, which resulted in a lot of frustrated fans.
With tickets reaching $10,000 as well, that's a big problem. And so OpenTickets is fixing this. We're revolutionizing event ticketing with blockchain. It's going to be built on Solana, and each ticket is represented as an NFT that users can buy or sell.
So the way we're different from Ticketmaster and like the existing systems is that we're completely decentralized, which means like we inherently can't become a monopoly. Our software is open source, so anyone else can implement the same features. And because of that, we're not going to be able to charge a lot of fees. So inherently, our product is going to be very competitive. We also would experience less outages because it's built on the Solana network, which can handle more than 50,000 transactions per second. So our operating principles are, the first one is we're customer focused. So we try to make sure that the fans always get the best deal. Our second principle is that artists get paid first. So because of lack of bureaucracy and minimal fees, most of the profits from selling a ticket go to the artist and the vendor. Another thing is to always be available. Fans care a lot about seeing their beloved artists, which means when those tickets get released, like they really want to make sure that they can get the tickets they want. And lastly, we want to make sure that there is no lock-in to using our platform. So if a vendor chooses to sell their tickets through our platform, they can easily switch to other platforms and providers. So behind the scenes, the protocol that we're implementing is run by a nonprofit foundation. So this foundation maintains the protocol, which is just a set of NFTs that can be transferred and minted by anyone. So these NFTs are run on the Solana network, and we chose Solana because of its low fees and insanely fast processing speeds compared to Ethereum and other networks. One of the main features we have is there's a smart contract that basically guarantees that any profit made beyond the original price of the ticket will go to the venue / the artist. The reason behind that is to discourage bots and price gouging.
And so let's talk about the platform that we actually have. So it's going to be called OpenTickets.com, and it's the best and most comprehensive suite of tools for the industry. You'd be able to buy and sell your tickets to your favorite live music events on this platform. And we're really driving major innovations in ticketing. You can browse by category, by top selling artists, have a lot of concerts, and eventually expand to sports, arts and theater, and family. There would be a lot of opportunities here to expand. Let's look at the overall market for this product. First, we're going to look at the total addressable market, which is $65 billion, and that is the entire global online ticket sales market. Then we'll bring it down to the serviceable addressable market, and that's going to be our North American online ticket sales. And then finally, we have target market, where our target market would be users that attend live music events in North America, which has a value of $6 billion. And so for our market strategy, we're going to target major artists and venues and work directly with them to get them on board. And so we'll start off at a smaller scale with live music events in North America. We'll expand to offer more events like sports and Broadway. And then eventually we plan to expand to outside North America.
So how are we going to make money? The main one is charging venues and artists fees to use our platform to create and sell tickets. Again, they don't have to use our platform, but we will provide like an easy web interface for them to use it to create tickets. We'll also provide a paid dashboard for them to monitor and analyze ticket sales. And lastly, we can also run ads on our website and apps. So what are some of the potential outcomes? The best outcome scenario, we think, is basically replacing the current monopoly, which is Ticketmaster, as the main way to sell and buy tickets online. A more realistic outcome would be to have a decent market share, own like 5 to 15% of the possible market, at least in North America. The worst outcome, we think, would be that we're just going to target a niche market, mostly indie artists and labels, who are going to be attracted to this new platform that values decentralization.
Thank you for your time, and you can email us at investors@opentickets.com for any questions.